Atlanta PD has refuted claims that rapper Lil Baby was cleared in a recent case, instead stating that his actions played a role in the deaths of 2 young adults last summer. During a press conference on Wednesday, February 26, the department announced the arrests of 7 individuals connected to the killings of Jacob Davis and Lemman Freeman. Major Ralph emphasized that the incident stemmed from a gang conflict, which initially erupted with gunfire at Lil Baby's music video shoot last May, an event that left 3 people injured. He also made it clear that authorities are determined to hold those involved accountable, directly addressing Lil Baby in his statement.
Investigation aspect of this, Lamont Freeman was allowed to be a 13-year-old for 27 minutes before gang violence ultimately took his life. Gang violence was orchestrated by adults in our city. And cowardly acts of an Atlanta-based rapper that decided to go over into a rival gang stronghold and shoot a music video in a place that he knew he should not have been. And in the subsequent days, we saw and ultimately the deaths of 2 children as a result of his cowardly actions. And you know who you are. And I tell you that this team will work relentlessly to hold you and the persons that you are affiliated with responsible for those actions.
The federal announcement linking Lil Baby to this crime answers a major question in the rap industry. Why did Lil Baby shut down 4PF? Following the release of his *Wham! Album, reports surfaced suggesting the project was rushed due to looming legal troubles. The closure of 4PF was the first major sign, as many speculated at the time. Lil Baby later explained his decision, revealing that he took steps to restructure his record label to prevent it from being perceived as a street-affiliated organization.
4 Pockets 4 had to come to an end, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. When you say of course, I mean, why you say of course?
Because of all the shit that be going on. And I had to start learning that, like, other people's actions I could be held accountable for.
Right.
I ain't know all that at first, you know what I'm saying? I never would've went that route, but I ain't know, you know what I'm saying? Now that I know, I'd be a fool to just keep the same thing going. They trying to make something out of something that it ain't.
Right.
Like, if I got any kind of control of, hey, we're gonna switch that whole thing up. It ain't even just about the police, it's just period, you know what I'm saying? Like, I never was supposed to make my label something that I talk about.
As Lil Baby works to distance himself from any 4PF members who may have been involved in the deaths of these 2 young individuals, federal authorities have already issued public warnings about his alleged connection to
an in-depth investigation. Recent months, you've had 2 high-profile racketeering cases. There going to be more.
Over the next 60 days, you'll see 2.
As DJ Academics revealed, Atlanta DA Fani Willis has been cracking down on rappers in the area, and just a week after her announcement, Lil Baby was arrested. On Monday, it was reported that he was taken into custody for carrying a concealed firearm without a permit. He was then booked into the Clark County Detention Center, where he was held on a...
I need 20 bands, call the number for me. Hey, security, the black guy, call the number for me. They locking me up for a but I got license. Security, I need 200 bands a year, I swear to God, security. Security, I need 200 bands a year. You don't make 200 bands here. Hey, lady, my check leave at 9:10. Nah, check me good. I gotta my nuts. Check me good. You on the camera? I gotta my nuts. Check me good. I gotta. Alright, y'all let me that cross you. That's y'all.
Many viewed Lil Baby's arrest as a warning from Atlanta DA Fani Willis, given that it occurred just a week after her crackdown on rappers. However, the situation runs much deeper. Just 8 months ago, DJ Academics revealed on stream that 4PF was listed in the same RICO case documents as YSL and Young Thug, even showing the literal evidence file.
I've heard 2 of them. Like, I've heard the 2 of them. They're like, yo, these are going first, then these are going first. I've heard the names. And I don't know if I should say it. Again, I got nothing to do with no investigation for nothing, whatever, but these are top rappers. Well, one's a top rapper. The other one, matter of fact, I'll do the segment without saying the name. I'll just say this. I believe you know who the obvious name is. They're in Atlanta. They go by three letters. They've been popping. One of the top, I would say, 3 rappers in the game.
Now, in the present day, with the YSL case concluded, DJ Academics has finally been able to reveal everything. Lil Baby's recent arrest appears to be a major warning, signaling that a RICO charge could soon be coming his way.
I'm going to tell you some things that you're going to have to take my word or don't believe it. It's fine. I don't care either or. When Fonnie Willis started targeting YSL, Fonnie Willis had a bunch of people to target. She wanted Thug. She got YFN. So she got YSL, YFN. Eventually, they were going to get to 4PF. That's one of the reasons they changed their names, by the way. Except, from what I heard, the feds told them, it's okay. We got it. So the feds told him, like, it's okay if you dismiss the charge. So they didn't go that hard with trying to get Dirk, especially after Von died. They dropped that case. They dropped it, but the feds has realized we gonna get Dirk eventually. You doing the math? You see why Lil Baby is moving the way he been? Because Lil Baby hasn't been on Fed watch. He's been on county, state watch.
All the warning signs are present. This development also sheds light on a common question. Why did 4PF shut down after the Atlanta DA was unsuccessful in targeting Young Thug? It suggests that Lil Baby might be next in line. But how did it all start? For Lil Baby fans, it's crucial to note that just 2 weeks into the YSL RICO trial, his close friend Gunna flipped on Young Thug.
And you have personal knowledge that members or associates of YSL have committed crimes in furtherance.
Yes, ma'am.
You were present when law enforcement officers stopped a vehicle in which you were present along with Jeffrey Williams, where an hydrant and a firearm were recovered. These items did not belong to you.
Yes, ma'am.
And you have personal knowledge that members or associates of YSL have committed crimes. Yes, you were present when law enforcement officers stopped a vehicle in which you and Jeffrey Williams were passengers, where a firearm was recovered. These items did not belong to you.
Huh? Man, you know why I pull you over? These windows, they tinted. You can't see nothing out.
I'm a celebrity, man. Nobody can't see me. Give me my ticket. Let me ride.
I don't know what celebrity you are.
It don't matter. They give me my ticket. Let me ride. I can't have nobody seeing me right here. I'm gonna let my window up.
Oh, yeah, you good, but you can't have that tinted window, man.
All right, they give me a ticket. Have a good day, man.
Now, who are you? You say you,
My name Lil Baby.
Okay, I just need you to sign right here, okay?
You got a pen?
827.
You don't be want to have these. You gotta have tickets in Atlanta. These folks crazy. I take a ticket and somebody follow me home.
Put a 32.
Huh?
You can put a 32. If you got a medical exception, you can.
Then, strangely, just 1 week after Gunna took a plea deal in the YSL trial, Lil Baby was arrested for something as minor as an illegal window tint. The official footage of the arrest was later released online, raising even more questions. Many believed this was the first warning that the feds were starting to close in on Lil Baby. Strangely, the body cam footage from the initial stop ended up corrupting. Though he was only given a ticket, he continued driving down the same street, only to be pulled over and arrested again by another officer for the same illegal window tint violation. Online, many speculated that Lil Baby was either unfairly targeted due to his race or that it was a setup orchestrated by one of Fonnie Willis's officers to get him behind bars. Fortunately, Baby quickly flew out his lawyer on a private jet, securing his bail and his release later that same night.
Hey man, what you got to tell these people?
Back. Back, Jack.
You feel me?
You did.
Hey man, ain't no cap in it.
No cap in my rap.
You feel what I'm saying?
The right way.
It's time.
The right way, bro.
You feel what I'm saying?
Right way.
Yeah, that way.
With all of Lil Baby's recent arrests, he feels like he's being targeted, possibly by a former best friend who gave up information. This is why, even after Young Thug was released from jail, he wasted no time calling out Gunna. Thug took to Twitter, posting, *wham, let's drop one on these rats, *with *wham*, referring to Lil Baby, who has consistently dissed Gunna throughout the entire YSL trial. Lil Baby quickly responded on Instagram, saying, *we should. The next day, Thug followed up with another tweet, directly addressing Gunna, Asterisk, stop acting like we're friends on the internet. I don't know you. Asterisk, this caught the attention of Gunna and his brother, who responded, asterisk, trust and believe, the feeling is mutual. Asterisk, later that night, Thug linked up with T.I., posting an Instagram story where he clearly stated that he was asterisk home asterisk and had done things asterisk the right way asterisk, a clear shot at Gunna, implying he took a different path.
Some of his fans think he beat the case. He definitely didn't beat the case. Beat the case means you got no stipulations. The Young Thug thing is a win, but it's also a huge setup. If you gonna tell me that they're gonna monitor him on a probationary basis for 15 years, can't be in Atlanta, can't communicate with co-defendants or members, he can't rap about, he can't promote any music that has to do with what they believe is activity. But he's always gonna talk about him and he's doing his thing. They might consider that activity. He might be like, it's like, we going to the park getting lit. We going to the club getting lit. They might be like, oh no, you talking about it. So, we celebrating right now because I think we could all see, if you follow that trial at all, whether you're a fan of Thug or not, you can see the pain, you can see this was going through it. Like, he gained a lot of weight. Everybody knows Thug's not that weight. So we happy he got out, but we definitely got to be very cognizant of how it's going to play out.
By emphasizing that he asterisk did it the right way asterisk, Young Thug made it clear to Gunna where he stood, and T.I. backed him up. However, as DJ Academics pointed out, there's a major problem with sneak dissing Gunna. The feds are always one step ahead. They anticipated all of this, which is exactly why Gunna was given a plea deal to walk free. Academics later spoke on Young Thug's release, claiming that the stipulations were designed as a trap to send him back to prison. He explained that it's all a setup, with the ultimate goal of seeing Thug fail and end up serving 20 years. But it doesn't stop there. The feds also know that Lil Baby will stand by Young Thug in his feud with Gunna. That's why the Atlanta DA is waiting for the right moment to take both of them down at the same time.
How do you feel about Lil Baby throwing at Gunna for his plea deal?
He need to shut the fuck up, cause he don't know what's going on. He's going off of what he heard. When have y'all went to a court date to support Slime, to support Jeffrey, to support Thug, however you want to name it?
This is where things got even more complicated. Lil Baby was clearly frustrated with the situation, but his actions didn't sit well with Young Thug's father. In response, Thug's father publicly told Lil Baby to stay quiet and stop dissing Gunna.
Courtney said, how do you feel about Gunna?
I love Gunna.
See, that's the thing. People don't understand the relationship. They got this thing saying that Gunna is a rat and he's done this and done that.
But see, let me try to help the attorney clarify that a little simpler. Gunna hasn't done anything whatsoever that can hurt us on this case. Period.
However, Young Thug's father didn't stop there. He went on to reveal new details about Gunna, stating that the situation had nothing to do with Young Thug or Lil Baby.
So me pleading guilty is only making it worse for my man. I'm saying I was there. Yes, I did it. I plead guilty. I am guilty. I am guilty. Anything you said in that courtroom is going to be used against your man, my man. That is over.
He just incriminated, implicated YSL being so now home, right? All the people who's locked up, like Jeffrey, like Young Thug, now he can't go with that defense. He can't go with the defense of saying, I'm a record label.
According to Young Thug's father, Gunna's plea deal didn't impact Thug or Lil Baby directly. However, many rappers in the industry had their own opinions. Tekashi 6ix9ine even joined a Clubhouse call with Wack 100, explaining that Thug and Lil Baby's situation had taken a turn for the worse because of Gunna's actions. He couldn't have been more spot on. Since that call, Lil Baby has been arrested 3 times and is now being linked to a case involving the deaths of 2 individuals.